The field is the outer portion of your power tool's motor. It works with the armature to create an electromagnetic field, which causes the armature to spin. Most problems with the field are caused by overloading the tool. When the tool is overloaded, the field windings can be burnt. Common symptoms of a bad field are loss of power and excessive sparks from the armature. There will often be smoke coming from the motor or a burning smell. A bad field can also cause the armature to quickly fail, so you'll want to inspect it closely as well. Replacing the field is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing one half of the rear handle. Now I'll remove the shoe. Now I'll remove the rubber boot. Now I'll remove the 4 screws that secure the gearbox to the motor housing. With the screws removed, I can separate the gearbox and armature from the motor housing. Now I'll remove the motor housing from the other half of the handle. I'll note the location of each of the wires and then remove them. With the wires removed from the field, now I can remove the baffle and the screws that secure the field to the housing. And now I can remove the field from the housing. Now I can install the new field. I'll transfer the screws over and insert the field into the housing. I'll secure the field with the screws. And I'll reinstall the baffle. And now I'll reconnect the wires. And I'll place the motor housing back into the handle. Now I can slide the armature and gearbox assembly back into the motor housing. I'll need to separate the brushes as I do this. I'll use a pair of needle nose pliers to spread them open. Once it's in place, I'll secure it with the screws. I'll reinstall the boot and the shoe. And I'll finish up by reinstalling the housing. And that's how you can install a new field in your power tool. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.